all learned in school that Marcus Garvey was Jamaica's first national hero, but you probably don't know that he was actually chosen in what one historian called an act of symbolic blackness to encourage dark-skinned Jamaicans to go along with the government's carefully crafted agenda to brand the country as a racially united paradise. Born in 1887 in St. Anne's Bay, Jamaica, Marcus Garvey was educated in London before moving to the United States, where he founded the Universal Negro Improvement Association. According to the Britannica, he taught that blacks would be respected only when they were economically strong, and he preached an independent black economy within the framework of white capitalism. To further his cause, he established the Negro Factories Corporation and the Black Star Line, as well as a chain of restaurants and grocery stores, laundries, a hotel, and even a printing press where he published the Negro World newspaper. But Garvey's brand of black nationalism clashed with the NAACP and other black leaders at the time. He rejected the message of integration and assimilation into white society. Instead, he envisioned a separate black nation where black people could acquire economic power and have a sense of community and group belonging. In 1922, he was convicted of mail fraud and after serving a 2-year sentence was deported back to Jamaica. On his return to Jamaica, Garvey attempted to continue his political activism and the work of the NIA, but his influence was not the same as it was in the United States, and he eventually moved to London. But the colonial government had a problem. Local freedom fighters had begun to spread Garvey's message of black empowerment and African pride, and it resonated with the majority dark-skinned Jamaicans. As the path to independence was being crafted, one of the strategies was to bring Garvey's body from London for reinterment in Jamaica and to declare him a national hero. Historian Henry Altink wrote, "The national heroes were intended to create unity amongst the people and embody the island's state of independence. But some heroes also served additional purposes. For instance, Garvey, more than any other, was intended to appease those who challenged the myth of racial harmony. Or, as one Gleaner columnist wrote, Garvey is a national hero to black Jamaicans, and these black Jamaicans were increasingly caught up in the worldwide tide of African upsurgence everywhere." No doubt about it, Garvey deserves the title of national hero, but they made sure we learned about him for a reason.